This video is about how acrylic paints can help you reuse, recycle, and repurpose materials in exciting new ways. We also discuss how barrel runs work and how to use the Cricut Explorer Air 2 design space. Last year at a fair we went to, we got to see a rodeo for the first time. One of our favorite things that we got to see was a barrel racing contest. Basically, people rode their horses around barrels in something called a cloverleaf pattern, and the person with the lowest time won. Well, since we have a horse and a pony, why not try it ourselves? So we found these barrels that, well, really they're drums, that were about to be thrown out, and we decided to buy them.
Excuse me!
So we set them up with the proper dimensions, and it all looked good.
Excuse me!
However, the big bright blue drums did not look that great on our lawn. So we decided to decorate them using acrylic paint.
Excuse me!
What?
Do you know how to make a barrel run? Paint it just before it rains.
So what exactly is acrylic paint? Well, water-based acrylic paint is made of little particles of plastic acrylic resin suspended in water and pigment. As the water evaporates, the resin particles fuse together, making a strong and durable paint. To beautify our barrels, we decided to use stencils. However, stencils can get pretty pricey, so we thought this would be a perfect excuse to use our new gift from Mom's friend, Mrs. Penny. The gift is a Cricut Explorer Air 2, and we made our stencils with it. Mrs. Penny has a 31 website, and they have the cutest bags and wallets. Please consider taking a look at her site. Now, watch how we made stencils using Design Space at design.cricut.com and got templates from thenounproject.com. The other three animals she wanted are not on Cricut. So I'm going to head over to nounproject.com, thenounproject.com, sorry, and I'm going to search for a dog. And you can scroll through, there's so many options. And she'll just stop me when she wants one. So we're going to go ahead and get this icon. Just a basic download. Save it as a PNG. Open. We can get rid of this because that's not going to help us in our stencil. I'm going to rename it Seiko.png. Save it and move to desktop. I'm going to go back here and upload an image, and I already have it in. Now that we know how to do this, I'm going to finish the stencils and we're going to decorate our barrels. But before we can decorate the barrels, Trie has a problem with her boots that need some fixing. Hey Trie, what you doing?
Washing my boots.
Why?
Because Dad's going to spray paint them.
That's cool.
So that we don't confuse our boots.
Okay, so why do you need to clean them?
So that when he spray paints it, it doesn't look weird, because the dirt will be.
Okay, how are you going to rinse it?
Hose?
After Trie finished cleaning it, Dad came over and spray painted a nice yellow. Then, Trie decided to jazz it up and use some purple acrylic paint. Then, she made sure it had her name all over it by, well, putting her name all over it. Now that that problem has been resolved, now we can decorate the barrels. Okay, hi guys, whose barrel is this?
This is mine.
And, what are these?
So, these are pumpkins.
Can I see that?
These are unicorns. That's a unicorn.
Okay.
And that one I'm walking on is the piggy, the rooster, and the dog.
Oh, that looks cool. Hey Trie, tell me about your barrel.
Currently, it's just Alfie. I'm about to add them.
That's a nice looking barn. So what color is that? Okay, let's see how you do this. She claims she's the expert. Trie finished her barrel. So she decided to help me, and I needed the help. Then Frankie finished. We're curious. Leave a comment on which barrel you think it looks the nicest. We might have a wager going on this.
Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead, click it now. We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Absolutely not.